Welcome back to another video. Today I will be teaching you how to edit a sent email in Outlook. If this video helped, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. First, open Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook loads, go to the left side of the screen and click on Sent Items. This folder contains all the emails that you have already sent from your account. Now scroll through the list and find the email that you want to edit or update. Once you find it, click on the email to open it. Now in the top right corner of the message window, you should see the three dots icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a menu with more options and settings related to the email. From the menu, hover over or click on Advanced Actions. After that, select Resend Message. As soon as you click it, Outlook will create a new editable copy of the original email. This is useful because Outlook does not directly change the email that was already delivered. Instead, it lets you create a corrected version very quickly without rewriting everything from the beginning. Now you can edit the message however you want. For example, you can correct typing mistakes, change the subject line, add missing information, attach the correct file, remove incorrect text, add or remove recipients. This feature is especially useful if you accidentally forgot an attachment or made a mistake in the email content. Once you finish making your changes, review the email carefully to make sure everything looks correct. After checking the message, click on the Send button again. The corrected version of the email will now be sent to the recipients. Keep in mind that the original email will still remain in the recipient's inbox. This feature simply helps you quickly resend an updated version instead of creating a brand new email manually. Now let me show you another useful feature that can help prevent mistakes in the future. Look at the top right corner of Outlook and click on the Settings icon. In the Settings search bar, type Undo Send. Then open the Undo Send option. Here you can choose how many seconds Outlook should wait before fully sending your emails. For example, you can set it to 5 or 10 seconds. This gives you a short amount of time to cancel the email if you notice a mistake immediately after clicking Send. It's a very useful feature and can save you from embarrassing errors or missing attachments. Once you finish adjusting the settings, simply close the Settings window. Outlook will automatically save the changes for you. That's it. You have now learned how to edit and resend a sent email in Outlook step by step. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps support the channel and lets me keep making more videos like this.